The Earth is covered with a variety of different features: oceans, plains, rivers, valleys, mountains, and, one of the most dramatic, volcanoes. Named for Vulcan, the Roman god of fire, volcanoes are one of the most powerful, spectacular forces on Earth. Volcanoes can build or destroy, but where do they come from? The surface of the Earth is cool and solid, but underneath, a thick layer of hot, molten rock churns. This molten rock is called magma. Sometimes, a crack or a break in the cool surface layer, known as the crust, allows magma to rise to the surface. Volcanoes are typically mountains, and although you may picture a volcano a certain way, they actually form a variety of different structures. When the lava from volcanic eruptions cools, it hardens into rock. These rocks are igneous, or formed from magma and lava. Different types of lava, different types of eruption, and different speeds of cooling all produce different kinds of rock.